everyone, I'm Romeo, here to share my personal thoughts and experiences on my investments in the stock market. If you're interested in how I got to where I am, I have a blog covering my background and how I managed my money through my teenage years and 20s. Links to my blog and social media accounts are in the description box below. This is the second video of a series called Stock Thoughts, covering each stock I own. I currently own 13 different stocks and 2 different cryptocurrencies. I'll be making a video on each one, going through the stock's chart, its profile provided by Webull, and my thoughts and opinions on the company and why I decided to buy the stock. I'll also provide references in the description box below so you can check it out yourself. If you would like me to cover a specific stock, please let me know in the comments below. And with that said, today I'll be covering AMT, American Tower Corporation. I'm not an expert at reading the chart, but I do feel I have a general understanding on how to read it for what I want to know about it and the big picture of the stock's past performance. There are plenty of videos that explain in detail how to read these charts. First, we'll look at the chart ranging from December 2020 to today, as this is the amount of time I have been investing so far. On December 1st, see here, it closed at $235.83. As of today, April 23rd, 2021, it closed at $254.04, making the change over this period of time, positive 7.71%. My position is 5 at 219.760, which means I have 5 stocks at a cost average of $219.76. Comparing my position to today's closing, the value has changed a positive 15.6%. This is an increase of about $171.40 total. I only have 5 stocks of it, so the actual increased value isn't that high. Now if we look at AMT over its lifespan, which dates back to 1998, we can see a slight exponential curve. This is generally what we want to see in a company's lifespan. Of course, hindsight is 2020, but I think looking at a company's life in the stock market is one indicator to look for how they perform into the future. Now let's look at AMT's profile. The following is a summary of AMT provided by Webull. I can't zoom in on this, so I'll read this off. American Tower Corporation, ATC, is a holding company. The company operates as a real estate investment trust, REIT, which owns, operates, and develops multi-tenant communications real estate. ATC's segments include U.S. property, Asia property, EMEA property, Latin America property, services, and other. Its primary business is property operations, which include the leasing of space on communication sites to wireless service providers, radio and television broadcast companies, wireless data providers, government agencies and municipalities, and tenants in various other industries. Its U.S. property segment includes operations in the United States. Its Asia property segment includes operations in India. The EMEA property segment includes operations in Germany, Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, and Uganda. The Latin America property segment includes operations in Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Mexico, and Peru. Its services segment offers tower-related services in the United States. You can read more about this company's profile on Webull's site from the link in the description box below. From there, you can see its news about this company, related to this company, financials, and other information, including dividends if they do pay out dividends. So first, a REIT is a real estate investment trust. It's a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate. It can be bought like stocks, as individual companies, or as ETF. The unique part of investing in REITs is that they have to pay at least 90% of their taxable income to its shareholders, people like us who buy stocks in a REIT. The catch is, the income you make from these dividends is taxed on normal income tax, as opposed to long-term capital gains if held for at least 1 year. Links below for details on REITs and capital gains tax. The next dividend payout will be on April 29th at $1.24 per share. Since AMT first started paying out a dividend in 2013, it has risen from 27 cents per share to $1.24 per share. So about AMT, I don't know much about AMT. The main reason I considered buying stocks of this company was because it was a REIT. There is one thing about the company I don't agree with, but I'll not talk about that specifically. Other than that one part, the company seems to have a good hold of things. They are part of the wireless infrastructure, and we know wireless technology won't be going away and will only be increasing in performance. I have provided a link to their website if you want to take a look for yourself. And for just a quick show, this is what their website looks like. You can see what they do and what they provide. So again, the link's in the description box below so you can check it out yourself. So the reason for me for buying AMT was one of the first stocks I bought after just doing a short research on ways to generate passive income. I found out that REITs have to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income as dividends, so I figured this would be a good start for me. With my current strategy of generating passive income through dividends, I think this fits nicely in my portfolio for now. I'm sure later on, if I start making enough money total and get into a higher income tax bracket, I may have to adjust my strategy when it comes to REITs. But for now, I think it's a good start. As of today, I'll show here, my PNL for AMT is positive $171.40. It's doing, I think it's doing pretty well so far. It's been steadily increasing since March. It fell a little bit in March, I think, as with most of the stock market. Let me go back to it. So yeah, so December here, and it fell in March, the beginning of March. I bought it at around 219 back in December, the end of December. So it has been steadily increasing. I'm not sure how much I will buy or when I would buy more of AMT, but I'll keep an eye on this company. Their dividends payout have been increasing with each quarter, so that could be another reason to buy more stocks. You can see here. This concludes my coverage of AMT, American Tower Corporation. In the next video, I'll be covering AVGO, Broadcom Incorporated. Broadcom is a technology company that designs, develops, and supplies a range of semiconductor and infrastructure software solutions. I'll provide links in the description box below if you want to check them out ahead of time. Also, if you're interested, I am using the app Webull. I'm recording on the desktop version of Webull, but they also have a mobile app. You can follow my invite link if you want to start using it. I hope you enjoyed my content and hope to hear from you again in my next video. Thank you for your time.